How to get a transparent dock on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your iPhone. Once you are here, in the search bar, type in transparent dock wallpaper. Then download a special wallpaper from here. Now, go ahead and open up the settings application. Once you're here, scroll down until you find and tap on wallpaper. On this page, tap on Add New Wallpaper. Then, select Photos from the top left. Choose the special wallpaper you just saved. After it loads, tap on Add at the top right corner. From the pop-up, tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair. Your new wallpaper is now set. As you can see, the dock now appears to be transparent. Following these steps, you can easily get a transparent dock on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.